In this video, we're going to compare the JBL Flip 6 versus the Flip 5. These are going to cost about the same price, right around 130 bucks. You get the same 20 watt speaker, but they also added a 10 watt tweeter. It's also now dust proof, IP67 waterproof instead of UPX7. You also get the same 4800 milliamp hour battery for 12 hours of playtime. You're gonna get Bluetooth 5.1 on the JBL 6 versus Bluetooth 4.2 on the Flip 5. They changed up the dimensions just slightly, so it's a little bit smaller than the Flip 5, but overall they're about the same. There's currently 6 different colors for the Flip 6, but obviously I'm sure there's gonna be more later. You can also now use the JBL portable app on the Flip 6. Both are also going to work with JBL Party Boost, where you can pair 2 or more speakers together, which I'll show you a little bit later in the video. USB-C to USB-A charging cable, pretty decent length on this one. At first glance, this feels pretty much like the same speaker, slightly different design here. When you have them right next to each other, they're gonna feel pretty much like the same speaker. I don't know, to me the Flip 5 looks a little better with the gray rubberized material going all the way across. The exclamation point is a little bit shinier this time. And they got rid of the JBL logo there on the other side. Now it is a little bit easier to see where it says Flip 6. Your power and Bluetooth buttons are a little bit brighter. And then pretty much the same USB-C port, indicator light right next to that. I guess I do like the JBL logo quite a bit bigger on the 6 over the 5. You get the same controls there on the side, volume, play and pause, and then your Party Boost button. You can also see they added a little rubber strip there, sort of a kickstand, that just sort of keeps the speaker from rolling around. Now for the next part of the video, you'll want to use headphones. I'm going to do a sound test with different types of music. I'll even put them in the same order for some people that got upset about my last JBL Flip 5 video. After the sound test, I'll give you my thoughts on the new JBL Flip 6. I'll let you know which I think is the better Bluetooth speaker. So trying out the Party Boost feature, it's actually pretty easy to pair the Flip 6 to the Flip 5. Here's a quick sample of that, then enjoy some music from each speaker before I give you my first impressions. When recording those clips, I feel like the microphone may have been a tad too close. Overall though, I like the sound on both speakers. Build quality is really nice, decent bass, not great, but the Party Boost feature is definitely a must for larger areas. These speakers definitely sound better on dance music, pop, hip hop, in my opinion, but I think most people will be happy with either speaker, especially considering they're pretty rugged and waterproof. So if you already have the Flip 5, there's really no reason to upgrade to the Flip 6. The upgrades, in my opinion, are so minor that I would probably skip this version if you already have the Flip 5. Now, if you have an older version like the Flip 4, then yeah, you may want to upgrade. You can tell there's a small difference in sound quality from these clips, but in person, I bet most people aren't even going to notice a difference and are going to be happy with either one. So which is better? Well, I guess I would give the slight edge to the Flip 6, and I mean very slight, but I'm not a big fan of that little nub kickstand on the bottom. And personally, if you're wanting to get the Flip 5 because it's on sale, you really aren't going to miss out on much that the Flip 6 has versus the Flip 5. So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.